Hi, hi, hi. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I am Kevin. Tonight I am the MC today. So welcome to our weekly GGoose AMA. Okay, in our AMA we have three languages, which is English, Chinese, and Vietnam. So tonight our interpreter for Chinese is Isaac, our 小博老师. Our Vietnam interpreter is Tower. So let's give them 555 to encourage them. Let's give them 555. Let's give them 555. Okay, okay. Let's give more. Let's give more. We give them more encourage. To be as an interpreter is not easy, so we have to give them more encourage. Okay. Okay, thank you, thank you. Okay, tonight, any newcomer first time join our AMA, please type 111 in our chat box. If a newcomer first time join, please type 111 into our chat box. Okay, seems like all is our existing member, all is our family. Okay, so let's type 999 to yourself. Thank you for your joining our AMA. Let's type 999. Yeah, thank you, thank you. You spend your time weekly to attend our AMA. The more you attend, the more benefit and the more money will come to you. Okay, so actually I asked you to type 999 because 999 is a gold bar. So the more 999 you type, the more gold bar will come to you. So let's type more 999. Let's hit up the floor. Let's 999. Okay. Wow, Andrew type a lot nine. Andrew want a lot of gold bar. I type more nine. Okay, okay. Okay, tonight tonight we have our founder as the main speaker. Then we have two special guests on the stage. Okay, so later you stay tuned. You will have invite our two special guests come on the stage. Okay, and then I also will share a good news at the end of this AMA. I mean end of the all speakers. So please stay tuned. So I will share some good news. Okay, so tonight our speaker will share more details of our new and hot utility, which is our latest going to launch soon, the Diamond Mine 2.0. Okay, our speaker will share all the questions about 2.0 to you. For example, like when it will be launched, how it transfer to 1.0 to 2.0, and how you gain the maximum profit, and what will happen to our goal A. Okay, for new joiner, how you can join our Diamond Mine 2.0 and so on. So now let's not wait. We type 888 to welcome our founder, Mr. Joseph. Let's type 8 here. Yeah, welcome to Joseph. Welcome. Uh,
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Kevin, for the warm uh welcome. So thank you everyone for joining our AMA. Today is a very special day because this is the day before our Diamond Mine launch. As I had mentioned earlier in this in last AMA, we are going to launch on 1st of August. So today I have a very long meeting, and I think today break my record of online meeting. Luckily we have tools called online conference, so that we can link up with so many parties all around the world and to work out this wonderful project. I'm very excited about this Diamond Mine 2.0 because I will see Diamond Mine 2.0 will change a lot of people's life. I don't know how you feel, but I'm really excited to see this happening. But to be able to to change your life through Diamond Mine 2.0, of course, firstly, you have to participate. If you're not participating our Diamond Mine 2.0, I also can't change your life. Okay, I also can't change your life. Okay, but anyway, before I because this is a AMA, and in layman term is called ask me anything, meaning that I will try to answer your question. But today, try to ask, if let's say, try to ask whatever question which you know about, which you want to know about Diamond Mine 2.0, because this is a very, 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 very important, okay, pivot point of our whole GGoose ecosystem. It's very, very important because something like when Bitcoin, okay, when Bitcoin at around $1 and suddenly halving coming in, after the halving, Bitcoin suddenly fly to 100, never come back again. So that is where I am expecting we are facing a similar miracle going to happen to our Diamond Mine. But of course, this will happen when we work up together. But if we are not working out together, then I have to do it in a slower pace. Probably I need to accomplish it within half a year. But if everyone participate and everyone have the confidence to work together, this can be accomplished within a week to a month. Then we will see a very big miracle happen. Okay, so let's talk about the Diamond Mine 2.0. On the 1st of August, we are going to start running, but only for those people who agree. Okay, so at this moment, you still didn't receive any of the so-called any email or any of the of the link for you to agree. Okay, because we are still rushing on it. We are still rushing on it. So probably I'm thinking around Friday. Hopefully, Friday we can get it ready. Friday or Saturday. So we will get it ready, either send to your email or on our notice board. You know, when every time when you log into our portal, there is a notice board. So we will clear up all the notice and put up this special notice board for you. So make sure you read through. Okay, if you, I, I, I mean, all the content inside will be the one which I already shared. So if you really understand what I have shared, you have been joining us since the first day when we talk about Diamond Mine 2.0 until now, you are clear about the whole picture. If that is the case, then you can just go to either you want to agree and then proceed. Then I will know that, okay, your account already agree to transfer from Diamond Mine 1 to Diamond Mine 2. Then we will start to pay you in Diamond Mine 2 when in 1st of August. Or else, if you didn't make any arrangement to either tell me either you agree or not agree, from 1st of August, you won't receive any income. Okay? Get it? You won't receive any income until either you tell me you agree or not agree. So we are, this is something which we work out. I know many of our member are they only go in to their account once in a week. So we are waiting them to check on the notice board, and we are waiting them to check their email. So please make sure I try to get the email or the notice board link ready around Friday, so everyone can take your take your time to read through, to understand, to respond to us. So from the 1st of August, we will have the the Diamond Mine 2 running. But that is only for those people who agree. Those people who didn't agree, we will on hold. Okay, we will just move the whatever agree fund over the we will on hold until you tell me what you want to do. Okay, we will on hold until you tell me either you want to proceed or you want to stop. your account will be idle without any income. Okay, without any income. So make sure that if you have referred someone into the diamond mine, remind them when you receive your email, or when you see the new notification or new news, make sure that you tell your friend or your community and ask them to respond as fast as possible. So 1st of August will be our own all member to enjoy diamond mine too. Then for the whole week from the 1st of August until 8th of August, that's a time for our own community. I'm still not open to public. Only open to public at the 8th of August. Nice number, yeah? 8, okay? 8th of August, we start to open for public. So when we open to public, that is where we might see how our community participate. I know many of you have already told me that, Joseph, if we really can achieve zero point 0.2 and consistently, how about consistent in 1 week? Okay. How about consistent 1 week? From the 8th of August, we see consistent more than zero point 0.2 for a whole week. Then that is your most powerful tool to go to the market, okay, to promote this wonderful project to your community. So the more you involve in, my target is 5 million, right? If you are owning not many, let's say 1/50 of the portion of the 5 million, you are in a great shape. Your financial is in a great shape. Later, we will work out how you can become millionaire. Okay, how you can become millionaire in our, how you can plan yourself. Okay, in our Diamond Mine 2.0. Whenever last time when I see any projects where the fund management project, they are really working well, then I will start to do my simulation, my calculation. Then I will start to plan my finance, and how much I invest, how much I'm going to return, and how much I'm going to reinvest. So this is all the thing which I will show you some of the calculation. So from the 8th of August, we that is where we are open to public. The public fund will be flowing into our diamond mine. Okay, either through your promotion, or either through myself involved in the coming SR event. Okay, let me share with you some of the information which we already planned. For your information, in our DM board, we already consistently getting 0.1 and above. Okay, 0.1 and above. I'm not sure. So if 0.1 and above, averagely we are getting more than 3 to 4%. Now it's almost like 4 to 5%. Okay. 4 to 5% a day in a month. Let's say 4% is 4 to 5% in a month. Then in a year, it's about 48% to 50%. I don't think you are at this current Diamond Mine 1, you can't find any of the financial vehicle which are able to give you this type of return, and safely, consistently, and you can so-called compounding. Okay, you can compound it by, if let's say you are getting another 1,000 return, you can continue to invest it. And and as I mentioned just now, beside whatever which we are ready for everyone to go out to help us to do the marketing and promotion. We are going to have this event very soon. Okay, we are going to have this event very soon, as with our Robert Kiyosaki. Robert Kiyosaki is coming to Singapore. Is coming to Singapore on the September 15 to 16. September 15 to 16 in Singapore, Marina Bay Sands. Very nice place. Okay, Marina Bay Sands. together with Sandy Jajija and our Dr. Clement. And now I'm not very I'm still waiting for confirmation. I hope I do not need to be too much involved, but I've been told to fill up this place. I've been told to fill up this place. But if let's say they are able to find any speaker, okay, I'd rather to be a sponsor for this event. Bear in mind, we are sponsor Robert Kiyosaki. Where is our sponsor? Our sponsorship is over here. See here? GGoose is here. Ladies and gentlemen, we are sponsoring Robert Kiyosaki event. And this is not the only Robert Kiyosaki event. Robert Kiyosaki also going to have his roadshow to London, to Germany as well. That we are going there as well. Ladies and gentlemen, let me later Gavin will give you a very good offer whereby you can use golden egg token to purchase the general. Let me tell you, VIP, even though so expensive, 1,489 is already fully sold out. I've been asking the organizer to give me some chance to have this VIP, okay? But end up they say from 200 they already add up to 300 and also sold out, okay? Also sold out, very high demand. And this is if let's say they manage to create more seat, there is about 3,000 people event, 3,000 to 5,000 people event. So please, okay, if you are able, please join us and see how we are going to influence this group of people into our GGoose ecosystem. But let me give you a very give you a very clear direction. Only we are going to promote GGoose, but only who are able to pass through the contact. Either you go there by yourself or you invite people to go to join, and then that is your contact, that is your referral, that is okay. But if we have a breakout session, okay, we have a breakout session and all the new contacts we only give to the person who registered as coach. So anyone who are interested to become our coach, the coach, we need to qualify you to become our coach. Anyone who want to qualify to be our coach, you make sure that if you keep in touch and tell us you want to become our coach through our social media. In China, you please contact Liu Li and also Nang Nangke. And then in some other places, please keep in touch with us in our Telegram group and tell me that you are interested to become coach. Then we will train you up to be coach. We will put you up to become a coach. Then as long as when we have any of the live event, if you are able to come, then you will be the one who are assisting us to introduce our wonderful plan to them, and they will sign up under your referral link. Ladies and gentlemen, don't underestimate of any of these fresh comer. They might come in only the first 1,000. Once they are very excited to see whatever which we are able to give them a clear, handsome daily income. When they top up, it will be very scary. So make sure you are ready, you are professional enough to handle my client, or else all these client I will personally handle. If no one want to work with me, okay, I will personally handle because I'm going to be on stage to introduce our GGoose. I'm a sponsor. I definitely have half an hour to introduce. That's why I say I'm rather to become a sponsor than a main speaker. If I become a main speaker, I need to talk 1.5 hours. Okay, I want to talk 1.5 hours. So now I told them I don't want to fill up this place. But in case you find out that this place has been filled up and put up my face, meaning that already I'm the one who have to speak on stage. Okay, so yeah, this is one of the event. on the September and 15 or to 16. And furthermore, we have another Chinese event on the September 30th to 1st of October. There's a Chinese event. We are also the sponsor. Okay, we are also the sponsor. See it? We are also a sponsor. So meaning that this is a live event, meaning that I will have half an hour to present our project, and I have the chance to create a breakout group. Okay, breakout group meaning that from this group of people who are interested, we organize a separate meeting in another room so that they can come over after the event finish. They can come over to understand. And this breakout group will be privately hosted, and only those coaches will be in the room to help me to handle the potential client, to let them understand, or to help them to receive airdrop. I'm going to airdrop to them. So with the airdrop, I will probably able to move half or more than half of the people into our breakout. Okay, what have I mean? If let's say we are giving all the people with 10 US dollar equivalent of golden egg, will you think that they just say no? It's a free. It's free. So if we are able to create that, then you as a coach, you will easily grab, okay, the contact or whatever with you pass to you. But you must let me know you want to be a coach. You must let us know you want to be trained up to be a coach. You want to qualify to be a coach. Then we will help you to become our coach. And only coach has this advantage to get contact, because you are helping me to provide service to our SR client. We need a quality people. We need quality people to be in our project. Of course, we are going to have our Chinese event not only in Malaysia, we are going to in Taiwan, in China, Shanghai as well. So probably those group of Chinese who want to become a coach, please contact with Nanyanga. We will be working out the coach program as well as in Taiwan. Okay, in Taiwan we are going to work out with a few key leaders in Taiwan. So ladies and gentlemen, we are going to have a lot of such an event. And if, okay, if no coach, I personally will go to work out on it. Then it will be a bit slower. Okay. I have my customer support and everyone will go to do the job which is supposed to be done by the coach. Or else, if everyone want to work out together on your community, on the SR community, so we work out together, achieve the 5 million in short time, and continuously achieve the 5 million in every let's say every week or every month. That will definitely create a very very high impact to our GGoose community. Okay, to our GGoose community. Once we have everyone work together. Now, ladies and gentlemen, zero point 0.2 is the one which I already said. 0.2 now is 0.14 today. Okay, today's morning we got 0.14. So to become 0.2, it's just a little bit only, just a little bit, we can fulfill 0.2. So 0.2 per day, how many per month? Can someone let me know? Of course, most of you know how much already, but I would like to see everyone participate into this calculation. 6% per day, per month, right? But not at, we are not exactly at 0.2, maybe 0.25, 0.27. It can't be fixed 0.2, because we are real trading. We do real trading. So I am just allocate the fund into the right percentage to the different board that creates 0.2. Easy job for me. Very easy. So after that, if we are able to achieve minimum 6% per month, how many percent per year? How many percent a year? 6% a year. 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 6% a year So if 72% a year, will this excite your community? Will 72% excite your community? I'm not talking about the, I still don't touch about the community in success resources, you know. Well, yes, yes, right. Even she say, of course, yes. Firstly, they will excite your community. Before I go on stage and show them the result, okay, show them the result, your community already firstly excited, and you have the proof. We from we from a very humble start our we start humbly. Let me go back to our diamond mine. We start humbly. You see, this page, this called dmbot2.net, yeah, the DNS.net. We will keep it always on here. Okay, so that you can go. I'm trying to ask my AI developer to work out to compile all the numbers here to make it a chart, so more easy to understand. And then let me go back to the history. Let me go back to the history from the first. The record have been there for people to see from the first day. When we start is the first, the January, the 12th of January, 0.103, 0.02. But actually, on the third day, we already achieved 0.759. I'm talking about 0.2 to 0.5. But in our past record, we have some of the record 0.4. Okay, 0.59, 0.4. Let me show more entry. Then it will be more easy. 0.7, 0.4. But of course, we got 0.00 during the time. We got 0.21, 0.21, 0.7. See it? Actually, we already achieved that. But during the time, we are very passive, depend on the big market move. We only have high income. But when small market move or no market move, then we got zero income. But now we able to achieve stable at 0.1 by another robot. But what if the market move fast? We will definitely achieve 0.2 to 0.5. This is already happening for the past half a year. This is not something miracle. It already happened. And we already proven that we actually make it previously. Now we only make it to become a system. We have multiple robots trading in multiple exchange, using multiple coin with multiple strategy. Multiple. Okay. To achieve 0.2 to 0.5 steadily. And this one actually we have proven we already did it. We already achieved it. Right? Nothing, nothing rocket science. Simple. In our past record, we already achieved high return. It's only now we make it consistent. You got it? So, so this is very easy to explain. And especially through this DM board, you can already show people we actually achieve it. It's just that now with slight improve of our AI, we put in more AI, we put in more exchange, we trade more, we diversify the risk and create more income. Doing this, we are produce a consistency from last time to achieve additional to 0.2, 0.5. So this is very simple to explain. And so with all this past record, all this track record, don't don't you think that this the past record might not impress people because people will say, "Wow, the past record only for if you are in here for the first day until now, you only achieved 13.97%, about 14%." Okay, that is because where that is because when we start humbly, we do it very passive. But now, no more. Okay, delay no more. We are already managed to achieve consistent 0.1 plus, and 0.2 is just a small step away. And when we talk about 0.5, people say, don't believe. You just show them we already achieve it. And we are going to create the consistency where we are putting up the barrier higher, the minimum higher and higher average, making up the average higher and higher, getting higher. So nothing rocket science. We show people the past record. We already did it and we are going to do it better. So with all this proof of work, okay, now we have proof of work. Then people will say, who is the person behind? Then you bring them to our AMA. Of course, in our SR stage, I will be on the stage. I'm the founder. And my background is clean. My background is a developer. My background is a trader. That is the reason why we can work out all this. I've been 20 years trading experience, fully 15 years in automation. It means AI. That is why I'm able to create such a wonderful system to let everyone enjoy. And why do I need to create such a system to create people enjoy? Because I'm going to make more money. Honestly, if let's say I can't make more money, why don't I just use this system to work on my own? Because Diamond Mine 2.0, we are having a win-win-win situation. Investor will get a handsome, steady, nice return from our stable solution in trading in cryptocurrency. As a promoter, who like you and me as a partner, you are you are the fastest person who get return because you help us to promote to your community. As the company in the Diamond Mine 2.0, when everyone achieve your 330%, when your contract, you are happily receive your 330% contract accomplished, then the remaining fund, sometimes the remaining fund will be around 100%, will be maybe less 50% because we are playing a bit little bit higher risk. Some of the coin might be stuck in some position where we need to find our way to get it up. But anyway, that is where when you are happy to get your 330% back in your pocket, we are happy to have the remaining fund to grow our trading pool bigger and bigger and bigger. Meaning that, catch this word, okay? Take this word. Our trading pool, whenever any of the contract expired happily, our trading pool will getting bigger. Got this point? When I say one more time. When any investor, they get their contract expired after they receive 330% happily because all this fund already in your pocket. Regardless of what time, if let's say we achieve it in 1 year, that is 1 year. We achieve it in half a year, you will happy. We are happy. The the partner will be happy also because you might want to reinvest. The partner will receive a commission, as well as you are happy as an investor because you find a system where you can do compounding to plan your financial. I am happy because our pool of fund will getting bigger and bigger and bigger. Three parties win, and our pool of fund getting bigger and bigger, meaning that we have more fund to support the assisting the new player to come in. We are paying higher and higher. We can pay faster and faster, meaning that 0.2% might not be our minimum anymore. We probably will create another minimum because we have higher pool. We got more fund. 0.2% become probably 0.3% to get the newcomer to enjoy faster returns. You must understand the Diamond Mine 2.0 will be a very fantastic program where the longer we go on, the stronger we are. And then the fastest we can pay off our community. You might say, Joseph, I don't believe, I'm doubtful. No problem. Just wait and see. Until a certain stage, we might limit people to invest. We might limit because if let's say the fund come in too crazy, we will block the fund because the fund too big. You see, cryptocurrency have a if let's say cryptocurrency have a very limited, they are not as big as forex or in commodity. Their market share is only 1.18 trillion, not big. And we are trading on Binance and GIO. The total trading volume also only about today is about 28 billion. If our fund achieve 1 billion, then we are almost occupying almost 2 to 3% of the total trading capital of Binance already. Okay, so it will be very scary if let's say we continue receiving fund. So we will definitely until a certain day you have to queue up, okay, to come into our system. When other people leave, a contract expired, only I start to accept your contract. There will be reaching a time like this, but you can just doubt of my projection, but I will tell you all the things which we have planned. I will definitely show you how we can achieve it. Especially especially we are ongoing fine tuning. Okay, so but anyway, the first very important point is the the cryptocurrency exchange must be stable, and that then we can continue grow our fund through the multiple exchanges. Okay, so with all this evidence, you have so-called proof of work. Already show you the proof of work. Then we have proof of people. We are always on the stage, and proof of our community as well as proof of our background. Our background. We are the biggest. Our background is the biggest event organizer in the world. We host a live event and online event, the most live event and online event all around the world, and that is where our reputation is. And we have proof of work, we have proof of people, and we have a wonderful system, and it's new. I can say it's new. Why? Because we are just one year plus old. This is our phase two, actually called phase 2.2. Phase two is our diamond mine. Now diamond mine from 1.0 to 2.0. Actually, we can classify this called phase 2.2. We are only finished the first phase. Now is the second phase, phase 2.2, and we have 10 years roadmap. So, ladies and gentlemen, are you with me? Are you with me? This is a very important question. Are you with me? Okay, Liwun, let me answer you. Okay, let me answer you this question. Why we have a board performance and fund performance? Okay, so let me go back to share the screen and so that I can explain more easy. Now, uh, board performance is the total fund in trading. Fund performance is a total fund collect. So the fund performance always lesser than the board performance. Why? It's because the fund performance, the fund collected always bigger than the board. Firstly, remember we have allocate 15% of the fund into into marketing. So 15% drop in the total fund. So when the board performance, let's say today we make 5,000. 5,000 divided by a lesser number and 5,000 divided by a bigger number, definitely this one, the number after divided will be lesser. This one will be more. So furthermore, we also have some cash reserve, as well as we also have some newcomer. All these funds already count inside the fund collected, but not yet put to the board. So fund collected always more than the fund already allocate to the board. You got this point? So I know you are accountant, so you know the divide, okay? Sorry. Okay. It's Lai okay, Lai not Liwun. Okay, so sorry. I know Liwun is an accountant, okay? So Lai I hope I answer your question, but okay, let me see any other questions. Okay, let me continue. Today we have a lot of people who like to share their opinion and idea. Let me very fast go through our diamond mine. So the 1.0 the so firstly everyone have to be cooperate together. Once we send a notification, you send an email, please respond as fast as possible. Please respond as fast as possible. Secondly, read through the term and condition. If you have anything which you are not understand, please go to our social media to voice up. Okay, we try to answer from there. And thirdly, let me quickly show you one of our calculation. Okay, compare how you can become a I think I have short of time already. Okay, I think I don't waste everyone time because that one is not so important. That is just an impression. So let me show you when we have some other time. But I think I want to give way to our two very important speakers today. They are going to become the very important in our whole ecosystem. First is Daniel. Secondly is Andrew, and they are going to 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 share in the perspective of an investor as well as a partner. So let me uh, pass back to Gavin. So Gavin, pass back to you. Pass back to you. You continue
Okay.
the story. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Joseph, for sharing. Let's give Joseph AA again. Let's give Joseph AA again. Okay. So yeah, Andrew and Daniel is our today's special guest. So let's not wait uh, too long. So I introduce our Xiao Niu. Andrew, come up first to sharing. Andrew, please share your opinion here.
Hello, everybody. Good evening to everybody who joined us today. And I'm so glad that I have given a chance. I'm blessed with a chance to share with everybody. So I'm so blessed and so happy that our GGoose farm has been since day one until now. Okay, we have achieved, and I'm also eye-witnessing of seeing growth. Okay, from ideas, from just a concept and adaptation and doing research, and we see day by day all the things that we have planned, right, all moving ahead with good and positive progress. And one of the things that I'm so out of my expectation, right, it's the diamond mine that we have developed. Okay, at the beginning, we just have one board, okay, and that board we are hoping it to really bring a lot of hoo-ha and a very good what you call inspiration to a lot of people. But as a trader, for so many years. I know that no certain tools, okay, that will really have no what you call can do everything that we want, okay? And that bot has been giving us a very consistent and a conservative earning for us. But of course, is there a better or a room to improve? Yes, there is. We know. That's why we are working tirelessly. We didn't stop. We try to improve. We try to build more, to improvise, to be better, so that we can give a better return to all the people who trusted us to work with us to build this community. That's why I'm so happy today that I can see that right now we have a few AI robots that's working for us, not just one. And today, and Joseph have already been telling us there's so much coming in this near future, okay, for the AI improvement of, you can see the daily improvement on the incomes and everything is beginning to realize and is working for us already. So this tool, okay, this proprietorship for this passive model, okay, we must thank you, Joseph and company, to give us the chance, not just for us to invest, for us to use. Also, company is giving us a chance to repackage this product, to repackage this opportunity for us to sell in the market so that we can grow the community and also we can earn on the passive income. If not, they can really package, they sell themselves, honestly speaking. Company can do that, all right? But why have to involve us, okay? Because we are a community. We are a decentralized automation organization. Now, as the beginning, okay, we set a goal that we want this prosperity to be shared to all the communities. Now the company has given us a chance, repackage this product to help us to build our passive income and also active income as well. And SR is opening up opportunity for us, okay, to gain the access to their people, to their database, all right? So now I'm urging everybody, if you see this opportunity, if you see this product is good for us, okay, join us, join our team, okay? We are giving out trainings. We are training, we are recruiting coach so that we can build all those who are interested to work with us so that we can, together, we build and expand our community so that we will have a big goose, we will call GGoose army, because I'm so admired that, you know, the Ripple coin, the Solana coin, the Ethereum, they have their own army. I was wondering when will be a day that we can have a GGoose army? If you want a GGoose army, please, in the chat box, type 888. Let me know. Are you excited to build a GGoose army that we stand in the stage, on the stage, on all the things? Where is the GGoose army? And everyone is standing up. This is the vision. This is the company that give us the opportunity so that we can build this army, work as a community, and we prosper together. We are not stopping. We are still building, we're still striving off. Now it's just the beginning. We are just the beginning. So if you're interested, okay, if you want to be part of the GGoose army, contact the GeForce members, okay? We will get in touch, okay? So we can build and we will coach you, we will train you so that you will be ever ready to become our army to help to build the community, all right? So this is my sharing. Thank you all. I'll pass back to you, Gavin. Thank you.
Thank you, Andrew. Thank you, Andrew, for sharing. Let's give Andrew 888 again. Let's give Andrew 888 for his good sharing. Andrew got a lot of 999, a lot of golden bar also. Okay, now not to wait, we introduce our Tiger, our Mr. Daniel, our Daniel Tiger. Okay, so let's Daniel join in and do his sharing.
Yo, from Geo. I'm Daniel. Wow, after listening to Andrew sharing, I feel very touched and feel very grateful for uh, a strong leader, for a team partner, and also our, Andrew is my brother, my younger brother. So actually, I'm glad that we are working together, and then we can see all these good opportunity. Yeah. So what a wonderful sharing for Andrew. Really appreciate. So thank you, okay, for giving me this opportunity to share on Dynamite 2.0 and the business. Actually, I'm supposed to come up first. Anyway, first of all, as what Joseph said just now, I'm very glad at Dynamite 2.0 is actually here. And because of Dynamite, it will change many people's life. I believe so. All right. I've been to tell about some background with I myself with Joseph. I've been with Joseph since high school and have been witnessing how he developed the EA or so-called AI software. EA is an expert advisor, it's called software. So he is really brilliant, can cover all the things. So we all know all his background. So I've been walking through many years in the trading as well. He also my trading seafood. He also the one person that already changed my life. So of course, that definitely I'm be grateful, and I also have trust on him and his leadership. Right. So I'm also glad that Success Resources is actually supporting us, and you all know that Success Resources is a highly reputable corporate that has proven to change many people's life through education. So their team is very professional and very strong in deliverance of result. So for all the things that we have done, I'm going to cut it short. So the new measure, what we have done to improve recently. So the latest measure to improve the tokenomics, whereby our founder has set this to ensure for the value of the golden egg token and also the value for the golden goose NFT. By doing how, we all know that we are creating more demands and also reducing the supply. So Dynamite 2.0 will bring in a very high demand for the golden token. So all the previous projection that Joseph have been showing us is very convincing. If let's say you want to know more, please read through the previous AMA and you can understand for that. And now everyone is actually ready and awaiting the floodgate to open. Once the floodgate open, everyone is rushing in for the Dynamite 2.0. All right. So as Joseph just asked me to share about the three perspectives. Okay, basically, I've been in the marketing for many years. So I always review the project from the three different perspectives, which is the first one is the investor, from the investor, and secondly is a networker or promoter, and the third one for the company. So in order for a successful plan to be going long run or so-called sustainable, we need to ensure all these three parties, investor, promoter, and the company are earning money Everyone is earning money, must have a balance. It's actually, we need a win-win-win situation in order to grow longer. Any of the party which fall short, which means that one party doesn't earn money, the whole system may fail. This is actually an ecosystem. We need three parties to be strong and coexist and to be interdependent and will maintain the ecosystem to grow on. So the project of GGoose is actually the ecosystem. So we need all to be balanced and we win together. All right, let me to share from the perception, from the perspective of the investor, I always have this sharing of my personal view for the investment policy. For those who actually know me, I've been sharing this point. I have 5 investment policy. The first one, we need to have passive income. Let the money work for us. So Diamond Mine 2.0, or even though GGoose is actually a passive income earning tools. Once we put in money, the system will work for us. So this is definitely a passive income tools. So this is a point for me. Secondly, we should invest with a capital that affordable or riskable. So we need to have a small capital to start. So invest into the Diamond Mine and the GGoose. It actually is an affordable entry. It's not like those investment that we need few 100,000 or millions. We just have a small startup of $1,000. This is affordable for everyone. So this is the capital that we can afford to try and test out. So we already have the testimony and track record for the past years, past months and years. So this is a system that Joseph had bring us to let us to try. So that's why we have the affordable capital to try on. So this is my second point. It's a goal. Yeah. So the third one, we need to ensure our capital safe. So this product, Diamond Mine 2.0 specifically, so we know we actually purchasing a contract which assure us to have our profit coming in, or the contract will be matured, will be fulfilled in any times of time frame, whether it's fast or slow. So we can assure our capital won't gone. It's a matter of time how fast we gain back. And one thing great is our profits is rolling in every day. So we can actually withdraw our profit out from the system. So this is a point for me, the third point. The fourth point is the risk diversification. As people say, we don't put all eggs into one basket. So how can we ensure our risk is diversified? As Joseph already told us, the robot is started. Initially, we come with one robot. Right now, we have so many robots. In line of so many robots, they are coming in. So all the robots, we have multiple, we have different strategies. From the trending, from the sideways, and also for the what they call the swing market. We also planted our robot into different exchanger or brokers. We have traded in multiple assets, mean forex, crypto, commodity, and even though indices or equity. So all this will ensure our risks have been diversified. So this is a good point for us. The fifth point is a lot of people, they say want to compound. Even though the business started, they say, how are we going to compound? I want to compound and let it grow. Yes, true. Compounding is great. It's the 8th wonder of the world. So our snowball can grow into an iceberg. But please hold. Why? We need to ensure our capital gain back first. Once the capital gain back, then we can slowly and plan our compounding plan. So in order to compound, it's very easy, just to subscribe another contract. That's all. So this is my personal view of an investor. So if let's say you are an investor, you should see all this. Let's say all the 5 points here is positive. Then should be a clear sign to work on your investment. So from another second perspective is from the networker. Of course, being a networker, I've been doing sharing. So of course, I want to firstly ensure the background of the company. We need to ensure they are very strong, trustable, and we know the boss profile. Of course, we know who they are now, and also we believe on our founders, the visions and the ability. So that's why we have assured now. I believe everyone now have agree with me. All right. And then secondly, after the company, then we have the product. we must get an easy to present product, which means the product can speak by itself. What the product can speak as well. Some product cannot stand there and speak and sell their own. But what the point that I bring here is the product is the earning. The earning from a plan or the earning for a product already give us a testimony. They can speak their own. So right now we have a result, a track record, and this is the product we can present, and we have the product can speak by its own. All right. So the consistent earning from the system, from the track record already show us. So the product is very important. And thirdly is the marketing plan. A lot of people don't understand the marketing plan. The marketing plan, some of the marketing plan is very hard to achieve. Although it's very easy to say, but it's very hard to achieve. But I tell you so, because we already involved in develop this marketing plan, we want to ensure this marketing plan is very, 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 very easy to achieve. So this is the plan. You want to know how and understand the plan, do join us for the coffee talk and understand this. All right. And also, the fourth thing, we need to develop a system. The system is very easy to be duplicated so that everyone can learn this simple system and on the plan, on presentation, all the things. That's why we come out here to guide, to give the guidance, to give you training. So we already developed a system for everyone. Let's say you want to start up, it's very easy. As our founder said, KISSS, KISS is very super simple and stupid, right? So this is the things that we want. And of course, one of the point is the leadership. So we all know we are the community. We are not the core leader or ultimate leaders. This community is belong to everyone. It's belong to you and me. We are here to lead. We are here to share. We are here to build. We want more people to join us. So that's why, as Andrew, welcome everyone to be the GGoose Army. We can make the future. We can change the whole. Let's say we believe on it. We believe on ourselves. We believe on the system and believe in the company. All right. So this is the 6 points from the perspective of the networker. I hope you believe on my view. And lastly, is from the perspective from the company. For sure, the company, the main objective is profit. Am I right? Profit is the key, is a fresh for the company to grow. So definitely, by understanding this Dynamite 2.0, this is a surely gain for the company, because once the contract is matured, the funds will be accumulated in the pool, and this is the capital and the asset for the company as well. So for sure, this is a gain, a sure gain for the company. I believe the company is understand this, so that's why they providing us this opportunity to invest. This is surely a win-win-win. All right. So definitely with the profit that company gain, what they will do, surely they will do more. They will go for the business expansion and give us more support and make more marketing campaigns and events for everyone. So this is all the A&P to from the company which can support us to go further. But we all know who our company behind, who are Success Resources, how they are doing. They're really already established in international in so many countries. So right now, we already have all the great things. We have the company support, we have the products, we have the system, we also have everyone. So it's matter of you and me, whether we are following right now. So this is the point, the key point of my sharing. So I hope you can understand, and we want to welcome everyone to join us. If let's say you don't understand, come to understand. Come to see yourself. Come to experience. All right, this is my little sharing. I hope my sharing can help each and everyone. Have a blessed day. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Daniel. Thank you, Daniel. Let's give Daniel a for his very detailed sharing. Let's give Daniel a. Daniel is a wonderful guy. He know keeping anything. He just share all the thoughts that he have. Then give us all the point that he experienced to everyone. Okay. So as I mentioned, we have good news for it. So the good news is for the just as Joseph mentioned, the Singapore NAC, the Robert Kiyosaki, the event. Okay, for those who have Golden 8 member, I mean our GGoose member, you have a chance to use your Golden 8 to attend this event, this very wonderful event. So let me post the link here. Okay, you can go to this link. I see whether I can share the screen or not. Okay, let me share. Wait, let me share the screen. Share screen to share. I think, yeah, okay. So you can see your screen. So this is the link that I posted. So you can copy out. So those who want to attend Robert Kiyosaki event in Singapore on 15 and 16 September, which is Friday to Saturday, in Marina Bay Sands, Singapore. Now you have chance to use Golden 8 to attend. Okay, but this one promotion is end until 31st of July, which is I think few more days. So we have to act fast. So okay, how to redeem it? There's a guide here. There's a step. So of course you have to key in your GGoose username, email, and how many tickets you want to buy. So in here they will show you. Let's say I put one. So in here it will show you how many Golden 8 that you require, which is 1,400 Gold 8, and the USDT amount that you have to pay is just 150 only. The original, this is a general ticket. The original ticket price is 300 plus, if I'm not mistaken. Oops. I think it's 300 plus. Forgot it. Never mind. Later I suppose. So I think I remember it's 300 plus. So with this one, it's a promotion and cheaper. Okay. So whoever want to attend, I recommend all to attend because Robert Kiyosaki event is not many anymore. This is maybe his few of the event. Okay, few of the event, and this is in Singapore, which is very near to us. Yeah, thank you, Andrew. It's 329 per ticket. So yeah, you get cheaper price. Okay, let me stop the share. Oh, how to stop the share?